Hello, welcome to my channel, Sam777. My name is Sam.
Today we'll be working with the text to column and text split. Actually, they're somehow both the same. Okay. Let's say I have a data like these ones, and I need to split this data into two columns. I have the data here. We have number and columns, and I need to split them into two. Okay. The first thing that I do, I'll be selecting the column, Control Shift, the bottom arrow key. Then I'll be going to data, text to column. He'll be asking me about the delimiter. I'll be selecting delimited. And since the delimiter over here, it's a dot and there's no dot over here. So I'll be checking this other and putting dot. As you can see here, the one column has been split into two. And then next, and then finish. So as you can see here, the data has been split into two columns. This is now the case too. I'll be using text to column in order to separate the to separate them into two columns. Okay, I'll be selecting first the data, Control Shift, the arrow key, bottom arrow key, text to column, delimited. Yep. Next, and we have the delimiter is space. And then next, finish. As you can see here, the data has been split into two columns. Now I'll be dealing with the case 3 for text to column. Let's say I have text in a certain file, Word file, or any or note file and anything, let's say, and I want to put these texts in an Excel file in columns. I'll be selecting all of these, Control. Then Control C, going to Excel file, Control V. As you can see here, all the names are listed next to each other. So I need to do text to column. So I'll be selecting the cell and then going to Data tab, then text to column. I'll be selecting the delimiter. And the delimiter is the comma, as you can see. And then I'll press next and finish. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Okay. So now I have all the names listed in columns. Now I'll be using the second method of text to column. Actually, it works like text to column. It's called the function text split. Actually, it splits the text into two columns, like the text to column, but in a function way. Let's say I have this column, okay, and I need to split this into two cells, into two columns, equal. I'll write down text split. He'll be asking me where I'll be getting the data from which cell. I'll be selecting this cell, and then he'll be asking me for the delimiter. It's going to be a space. I'll put in the first place double quote, and then space, the delimiter, then another double quote, and then I'll close it with the parentheses, enter. So the data here is separated into two columns, and in order to do the same for the others, just drag down the cell to the bottom, and the job is done.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a like. This will help me to do more videos.